Now after finding this 2 3 0 minus 2 multiplied with matrix x, we have taken x y is equals to minus 4 and 4. ओके, अब नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. कहाँ पे करें? यहाँ कर रहा हूँ. Now this will imply, see 2 into x plus 3 into y. 2 into x plus 3 into y. एक ही एलिमेंट आएगा. 2 into x plus 3 into y. ये होगा 0 into x plus minus 2 into y. 0 into x is 0. This is only minus 2y. Is equals to minus 4 and 4. Minus 4 and 4. Now this will imply, now if two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal. So from here I am getting minus 2y is equal to 4, y is equals to minus 2. And second whole part, 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Therefore 2x plus 2x, this is minus 6 is equal to minus 4. 2x is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2, which implies x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Now after finding this, you have to write matrices. Therefore matrix x is equal to x का वैल्यू 1 और y का वैल्यू minus 2. पूरा मैट्रिक्स का फॉर्मूला लिखना है, नहीं लिखोगे एक मत जाएगा. मैट्रिक्स x is equals to 1 and minus 2. 1 minus 2. ओके, तो इस तरह से मैट्रिक्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. Now one more. दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. a is equals to 4 sin 30 cos 0 4 sin 30 and b is equals to 4 5. If ax is equal to b, find matrix x. What's our sign? Line here. Find matrix x. Okay. Now see, 4 into sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So this is 4 into 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. And this is 4 into 1 by 2. Now 4 into 1 by 2 I'll directly write as 4 into 1 by 2 can be directly written as 2. This is matrix A. Now matrix X multiplied with B 4 5. Okay. Now this is M cross N. Again the same process. This is N cross P and this is M cross P. Means this is 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 1. So obviously this particular matrix will be 2 cross 1 matrix. So this I can write as 2 1 1 2 multiplied with x y is equals to 4 5. Now the same procedure, 2x plus y, 2 into x plus 1 into y. This is 1 into x is x plus 2 into y is 2y is equals to 4 5. This will imply these are simultaneous equations now. 2x plus y is equals to 4 is one equation and x plus 2y is equals to 5 is the other equation. Now we have to solve them simultaneously. कैसे करेंगे? इसमें 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. Then this will become 4x plus 2y is equal to 4 2s are 8 and this is x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now we'll subtract both 4x plus 2y. यहाँ पर नहीं, इधर 4x plus 2y minus यहाँ ये वाला x plus 2y is equals to 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Now see 4x minus x is 3x. 2y minus 2y गया. 8 minus 5 is 5 6 7 8 3. So which will imply x is equals to 1. X का value 1. Putting in any of the one equation यहाँ पे डाल दे रहा हूँ. Which will imply 1 plus 2y is equals to 5. Y is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. So we got the values of x and y. now matrix X, therefore matrix X will be equal to X का वैल्यू 1 और Y का वैल्यू 2, Y का वैल्यू 2, ठीक है, ये होगा आंसर। नाउ और एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं। दिया है कि A is equals to 1 minus 1 2 3, C is equals to 2 3 1 and minus 11. Find B, find matrix B such that BA is equal to C, such that BA is equals to C. It means what I'll write, matrix B into A, 1 minus 1 2 3, BA is equals to C is 2 3 1 minus 11. Now the same procedure, first step is M cross N, this is N cross P, and this is M cross P. Whatever orders you know, right? This is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. Therefore, M का value 2, M का value 2. Means your matrix B is also of the order 2 cross 2. Therefore, let B matrix is equals to 2 cross 2 matrix means 4 elements will be there. So I can take this as A, B, C, and D. Okay. Now what I'll write, this will imply matrix B, A, B, C, D multiplied with 1 minus 1 2 3 is equals to 2 3 1 minus 11. Okay, now this will become multiplied, A into 1 is A plus 2 into B is 2B. Similarly, A into minus 1 is minus A, 3B plus 3B. C into 1, C, 2 into D, 2D. C into 1, this is minus C, 2 into D into 3 is 3D. Now this equals 2, 3, 1 minus 11. So we'll get 4 sets of equations, that is 2 simultaneous equations. One is A plus 2B, A plus 2B is equal to 2. The other one is minus A plus 3B, minus A plus 3B is equal to 3. The second set, C plus 2D is equals to 1. C plus 2D is equals to 1. Minus C plus 3D is equals to minus 11. Minus C plus 3D is equals to minus 11. Okay. Now, simply we'll add this because A minus will cancel out. A minus again, 2B plus 3B is 5B. 2 plus 3 is 5. So B will be equals to 1. Okay, if B is 1, we can calculate A. A plus 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 2. A is equals to 0. Okay, B, A we got. Similarly, we'll add this. C and C will cancel out. 5D is equals to minus 10. 1 minus 11 is minus 10. D is equals to minus 2. Now putting this value in one of the equations, C plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 1. C is equals to 1 plus 4, which is equals to 5. Okay? The A, B, C, D we got. Final matrix B, therefore B is equals to matrix value 0, B 1, C 5, D is minus 2. This is the answer. Okay?
बंद कर दे, बंद।